Dewalt 20 volt 18 gauge nailer. We're going to use this for trim, baseboard, compatible with all of our 20 volt batteries. Let's unbox it. All right, comes with a nice bag. That's great. To house all of your nails, charger, battery, and gun. Very nice bag. Looks like we've got a 2 amp 20 volt battery included. The low profile charger. Some instructions. Now here's the gun. That looks nice. Oh yeah, that feels good. There it is, 18 gauge nailer, Dewalt 20 volt. The quality feels amazing, like usual when you buy a Dewalt tool. Where the nails go. We're going to show you guys some field use with this today. Looks like your depth control right here. Got a switch here, if you can see that. Looks like you can hold the trigger down and just nail as fast as you can. We'll test that out today as well. Feels really good. All right, guys. Let's test this thing out. Loading the gun up. Got some 2-inch nails here. All right, ready to shoot. Got 2 settings right here, single shot or multi-shot. This is single shot here. All right, we'll show you multi-shot. When you change it to multi-shot here, once you hold the trigger, the motor will continuously run to shoot as many nails as you want. That's a badass gun. A lot of things we don't have to deal with anymore. Having that Dewalt 20 volt 18 gauge nailer, don't have to deal with the compressor. It's heavy, it's loud, you got a hose, you have to have a separate gun. This is Harbor Freight, $20 18 gauge gun. So you don't have to haul this around anymore. I mean, this requires electricity, it requires a generator or a power station. We did have a cordless 16 gauge gun. Got a pass load here. A couple of problems with this thing. One, you have to constantly buy gas to power this. And these are about 20 bucks, I think, for 2 of these. We've spent hundreds of dollars on gas already. The pass load battery seems to die all the time. Every time we open this up to use it, we have to charge it for an hour. And also, the pass load is loud. About twice as loud as the Dewalt. So you're required to wear some ear protection, hearing protection for this when you use it. So this is all going away. We're gonna retire it. It's getting replaced with the new Dewalt 18 gauge brushless nail gun. This gun is absolutely amazing. Just hold the trigger down and tap. Alright guys, we'll conclude this short review video on the Dewalt 20 volt 18 gauge nailer. I've got to say we are thoroughly impressed with this machine here. It didn't jam once. It can shoot multiple times by holding that trigger down. There are some pros, there are some cons. I'll go over that right now. The pros are, one, it accepts 20-volt batteries. Very easy to grab a compatible battery. We have a lot of them. Pop it on, start shooting. You don't need a compressor, you don't need a cord, you don't need electricity, you don't need a generator, you don't need anything at all. Nails, the gun, and a battery. Two, it's a very quiet gun. You don't need ear protection when you're shooting this gun. The pass loads out there, those are loud when you use the gas with the battery. You definitely need ear protection for those, but the Dewalt, you do not need ear protection. Last, it's a Dewalt. It's a quality product. It's gonna last a long time. We're not gonna have any problems with the build quality of this gun. Now, there are a couple of cons. One, it's a little pricey. It runs around $300, which includes the gun, includes a 2-amp battery, a charger, and a nice bag. And the second con, the body runs a little large. We had a little bit of trouble getting this gun under a vanity, nailing quarter round into a toe kick. Other than that, it's a great gun. It's definitely going in our toolbox. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.